BJP's Devendra Fadnavis will be sworn in today as Chief Minister of Maharashtra, finally ending an impasse on who would helm the top post. Remember, decision, of course, was finally taken after more than 2 weeks of the Mahayuti alliance securing a stunning victory in the November 20th assembly elections in the state. The oath-taking ceremony is set to take place in Mumbai's Azad Maidan at 5 p.m. today. This ceremony will be attended by top BJP leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, amongst others. So these, of course, are the latest updates coming in. Meanwhile, we're getting breaking inputs coming in through our sources. Today, only Chief Minister and 2 Deputy CMs will take oath. That's what our sources are telling us. The rest of the cabinet will be sworn in on the 7th of December. A total of 31 ministers are set to take oath on the 7th of December. Let me bring in Daryl Miranda for more details on this big story. Daryl, what are your sources indicating to you? Is the swearing-in ceremony today only going to be for the CM and Deputy CMs?
Devendra Fadnavis will be taking oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the 3rd time. We can see the stage is set where Devendra Fadnavis is going to take oath as the Chief Minister for the 3rd time, and also Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be present. But as per sources, what we are getting to know is that only 1 CM and 2 DCM will be taking their oath today, because the cabinet portfolio allocation is not yet been done, and therefore Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar will be taking their oath today, after which all the 3 leaders will sit together and have a discussion on the cabinet portfolio allocation. We can see right now at the Azad Maidan where I am present, the stage is set and just few hours left for the swearing-in ceremony of Devendra Fadnavis, which will start at 5:30 p.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, along with several other leaders of the BJP will be present, and also the 22 ministers of the NDA ruling states will also be present here, and it's going to be a big grand mega event at the Azad Maidan. All the preparations are underway and just a few hours left for this swearing-in ceremony to begin. We can see all the party workers have also started coming here at the Azad Maidan, and for the 3rd time Devendra Fadnavis will be taking oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the 3rd time.